With the PhoneSoap Pro comes a redesign of our standard UV sanitizer. Additional bulbs and a vacuum-plated aluminum inner shell achieve complete disinfection now in just 5 minutes, making the PhoneSoap Pro our fastest sanitizer yet. With a larger sanitizing bay than our previous phone sanitizers, PhoneSoap Pro can accommodate the largest phones and the largest cases and accessories, and continues to offer multiple methods for charging. A simple press of a button allows you to choose between automatic and manual modes, so it cleans when you want it to, and it doesn't when you don't. The acoustic outlets ensure that you can hear every notification, call, or text. The inclusion of nano suction feet keep it firmly planted exactly where it's supposed to be. And with the ability to sanitize more than just phones, your life just got brighter.
It's difficult to thrive when your body is sore. Recovery can take days, and some ailments can last for weeks. But what if it didn't have to? Welcome to the future of natural pain relief. iJu, a revolutionary electrotherapy device. iJu brings the ancient healing power of moxibustion into the modern world. This cutting-edge technology is designed to provide pain relief, stress relief, and improved blood flow by using electric muscle stimulators to activate your muscles. Place the heating pod on the sore areas of your body and use the app to select the perfect temperature. Each device comes with a long-lasting battery that allows you to use iJu at home or on the go, giving you the freedom to live life on your terms. iJu is 100% natural. allowing you to nurture your body the way Mother Nature intended. Feel better, recover faster, and live without pain. Aiju, nature's path to health and wellness.
You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. He's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea. Because we are the team. It's finally better than truth.
Mural isn't art for art's sake. It's art for your sake. Art for every emotion. Art for inspiration. Art for exploration and interesting conversation. Mural is art for ever-changing tastes. And those certain moments worth framing. It's over 30,000 iconic pieces in a beautifully crafted wooden frame for you to fall in love with again and again. See for yourself at mural.com.